Just the water.
Yeah, I suck.
Find another one. You do suck.
It's not my fault.
That did it.
Yay!
We just gotta throw larger ones like that. Nice bite.
No, that thing has audio.
Oh,
Woo!
that was good.
Did you get it?
Uh-huh. Are they flat ones?
Relatively.
So you threw it right there.
It fell out of my hand.
I should probably move. It's just scary.
More.
That was good, but it was way over here. Try one more.
Okay.
Throw it straight though, so I can see it actually.
Did you get that other one?
Which one? Hold on. I got the one you did.
Okay.
Let me see that one. That's not thin.
No more rocks around here.